bus of doom. Oh, this is so funny. Oh, you need hip waders here. I mean, it is not stopping. This is nothing. This is going to get a lot worse before it gets better. I don't see any signs of this rain letting up. I mean, we're talking, I bet you we're getting 100 mil an hour. This is absolutely insane, man. The street's got 3, 4, 5 inches of water. I mean, this is crazy. I'm just blown away here. I've never seen this much rain in my life. This is awesome. Of course, I'm about the only one that finds it funny because everybody's like, oh, it's raining. I'm like, fuck. It's been 40 above every day. I can take this. I mean, this will be something I'll definitely remember for the rest of my life.